Hi, welcome back to Telegenic. I'm Rick McIver. Today I want to talk a little bit about how to position yourself within your video conferencing frame so that you come off as professional and as memorable as possible. Let's take a look. Okay, so we've all heard the term close-up, right? But what about medium shot or establishing shot? These are just kind of shortcut terms in the film industry, and they're used to describe how the subject or the landscape is framed within the picture frame of the video. And so how can you use these terms or these ideas or concepts to your advantage when you're video conferencing? Tip number 1, head placement. So let's say that you're in a big group meeting and you are trying to be remembered or seen. But you know, when you're in those big group meetings, that there are all the little picture frames all around you. So in this case, go ahead and scoot the camera a little bit closer to you so that your head appears larger in the frame. It's subtle, but it might help other participants remember who you are or remember the contributions that you made. Now, the opposite is true if you're on a call with just one other person or just a small group of people. Actually, it's better to push your camera away from you a little bit. So what this does is it gives context to your environment, and it also gives the other viewer breathing room, a little bit of space in order to feel more comfortable. Well, I hope that helps just a little bit, and feel free to share this video and make the video conferencing world a little bit better. I'm Rick McIver. Thanks for watching. Until next time.